Why does my acoustic guitar hurt my fingers? This is something that I want to touch on because if you're brand new to playing the guitar, like maybe nobody told you this. So there's a few things specific to acoustic guitars, and it's kind of like a gotcha for people who are new. So the nut on your guitar, which is, the bone piece or the plastic piece up here at the top that the strings slot into, how tall that is, how proud that stands from the fretboard will influence greatly how much it hurts to play when you're playing in first position. So that's, down here, right? If this is and you can't really call it setup because setting up a guitar refers to a bunch of different stuff, but setting up of this area of your guitar is important. And if you have a guitar that isn't well set up here, what ends up happening is that it's like excruciatingly painful. Like my fingers are decades dead. I can just grab stuff out of the oven with these. And when I'm playing a guitar, like I've got a couple examples like this one I've got hanging up. I don't even know if you can see it there. It's very poorly set up at the nut and it stands very tall. And as a result, like you can make the chords, but you have to press extremely hard. And as a result, 1-2 songs in, my fingers are killing me here. So it's one of these things that you'll go to the store. If you're buying a new guitar and you're new into playing the guitar, you're probably not buying a $5,000 or $10,000 guitar. You're probably not. So as a result, if you pick something that looks really nice, for example, probably it plays like crap. Because how's it going to look really nice and play amazing and all this stuff, and it doesn't cost very much money? You got to give up something, right? So that's why you see a lot of really plain looking guitars on my wall, because that's what I'm giving up. I'm giving up the fanciness because I want something that plays really good and it sounds really good. And that nut placement is one of the most important things that I can refer to in terms of the things that make my fingers hurt, or a guitar that I can just play for hours and hours and hours. I describe it as it feels or it plays like butter. Very light finger placement is all it needs in order to make the chords ring clear and loud. And that is, again, attributed to a very low profile spacing of this nut, such that it doesn't take much action to press that string down. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel here, because I'm Steve the Guitar Guy, and you'll learn a ton about guitars if you do.